We all know that mozzarella and tomatoes go so well together, but did you know strawberries also go well with mozzarella? I'm going to make a strawberry salad in a savoury context and serve it with a burrata. What it is a mozzarella that's shaped into a little money bag, just like that. And inside this is silky soft cream and curds. It's absolutely delicious. I'm going to leave it in the water for now while we prepare our little salad. So for the strawberries, always bring them out of the fridge at least 1 hour before serving them because they taste better at room temperature. And we'll just take the tops off them and cut them into quarters. Place them into a bowl and instead of sugar, a pinch of salt, a very small amount, and balsamic. Now you can use the classic balsamic, but I got my hands on white balsamic just so I can really show off that gorgeous colour of the strawberries. And we'll dress it with some good quality extra virgin olive oil. And strawberries go really well with black pepper. So freshly cracked pepper, give that a toss. And now we'll place them into a presentation bowl, just on one side. And just gather any of that oil and balsamic at the bottom. We don't want to waste that. So drizzle that over the top. And for our burrata, I'll drain off the liquid. And because this little money bag is full of that luscious cream, just be careful when you transport it. Now, take that to the table as is, maybe with a little basil or just freshly pick that. This dish is thought-provoking. It's interesting because your mind says it's tomato, but it's strawberries. When you take it to the table, a little sharp knife, and you just break it open and have a look. Oh, burrata in Italian means buttered, and you can see why. To finish that, some extra virgin olive oil. Got to have a taste of this. Strawberry. It's the taste of summer right there.